Good morning, Margaret Ramo here to tell you about my observation of my friend Chantel Rosenberg's fifth grade class at Bloomfield Hills Middle School. I did it about 3 weeks ago, and the class size was about 30 children or so. We learned about decimal rounding. We played a game called Cinderella Rounding, and it made the kids very, very excited about it, which is surprising because not a lot of kids get excited about math. We used props, we used tiaras, we used a little broom, and we also used a wand that made cute little noises. The kids loved it. They especially loved putting on the tiara. So basically the concept was, I'm going to write out a couple examples here. 1, 3, 4. So we have the number 0.1934. What the children learn to do is take, for example, Chantel said round to the nearest tenth. The kids knew the tenth was their trigger to find the tenth spot and underlined it. The spot to the immediate right, which is the 9 in this case, is considered the fairy godmother. The 1 is considered their Cinderella. So Chantel would say, where's Cinderella? Find Cinderella. Okay, it's in the 10th spot. So the concept was, does the fairy godmother, which is 9, have enough power to turn Cinderella, which is the 1, into a princess? Power meaning if the digit to the immediate right is 5 or more. So in this case it's 9. Poof, Cinderella turns into a princess. So then we have 0.2000. After that was done, the fairy godmother would poof into nothing and then change the rest of them behind her into 0. So then there's the answer to rounding 0.1934 to the nearest tenth is 0.2000. One question that the kids did have is if they needed to keep the zeros to the right of the digit that they just rounded. Many of them preferred to be able to keep them just as place savers. Chantel did explain to them that the zeros were not needed. Therefore, the answer is 0.2. So we'll do one more example of 0.34692. So take 0.34692. Say that we needed to round to the nearest thousandth. That's our cue to find the thousandth place, which in this case is the 6th. And immediately after that, we would look to the right, find our fairy godmother. I'm going to put FGM. 9 is our fairy godmother. Oops, sorry. Since fairy godmother is 9 and she is greater than 5, it would poof our 6 into a 7. She would turn to 0 because she's not needed anymore, and boom, there's our number that's rounded to the nearest thousandth. So that is Cinderella Rounding. The kids loved it. They had a great time. There was a lot of laughing. Chantel held their attention throughout the entire lesson, which lasted an hour. They caught on quickly, and they truly enjoyed the lesson. So thank you for your time. Have a great Thanksgiving.